Hello, children. Let's look into the poetic devices of the poem Legend of Northland by Phoebe Carey. So, this poem is a ballad, B-A-L-L-A-D, ballad because it is narrated in the form of a story. Now, the first poetic device here is simile. Here, the poet compares the children to bear cubs in lines 7 and 8. Again, you have a simile in the lines 35. Baked as thin as a wafer. This tells us how the cake which was baked by the woman looks. Then you have alliteration, repetition of the consonant sound. Funny furry clothes. Further down you would find in the poem that the speaker addresses a person who's absent in the poem, or else the speaker is addressing an absent audience. That is called apostrophe. The line, and yet you may learn a lesson if I tell the tale to you. So that line is apostrophe. Then boring and boring, that is repetition. Next we have visual imagery as well as simile. When the poet Phoebe is trying to tell us about this selfish woman, she uses visual imagery as well as simile. Simile is black as coal in the flame, that is line 60. So this helps us to understand the darkness of the woman's new form when she is changed into a woodpecker. In visual imagery, all the rest of her clothes were all burnt. That is the visual imagery. Then again you have alliteration, faint with fasting. That is alliteration. Day was almost done. Again you have alliteration. Then coming down, away, away. That is assonance. Repetition of the vowel sound. A-S-S-O-N-A-N-C assonance, where the vowel sound is repeated. Away, away. Then you have consonants. That is the repetition of the consonant sound in the words swift, sledge, snow. Then coming to Saint Peter. Here, whenever we refer to a historical person or event, we call it as allusion. So here Saint Peter, that is allusion. So these are all the poetic devices. Hope you have understood.